play in the ecosystem. Now, to a point you raised, Harry, you said you partnered with the Bangko Sentral, which brings us to a topic which is very current, not just here, even in other markets, regulation. Regulation, whether we like it or not, is here, and they are going to find some way to have a say in how the industry evolves going forward. So, from your individual perspectives, regulation, positive, negative?
For me, it's positive eventually. Now, what I mean by that is, I think innovation always outpaces regulation. No, nauuna yung technology, minsan humahabol yung regulators at yung gobyerno. No? This was the same in Uber and Grab, in ride sharing. There was a time the government wanted to ban ride sharing because they have a franchise model.